big guy. Apparently he doesn't crack very much too, so he's a construction worker. I mean, just drop the head. Let it go. Whatever that.
Oh! Oh, man.
Yeah, that was it. Now just close those eyes. There it is, got it. Jeez.
Oh, wow.
It hits a little different in Newport.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy got a good crack. How you doing there, man? See, it hurts him just doing that. Just give yourself a nice big hug. All the way down. There it is. There it goes too, man. He's cracking real good.
Nobody has ever been able to crack that spot.
This is good old ring dinger. So teeth together. Relax your low back here. Low back.
Oh!
There she is.
My lower mid back crack.
Well, that's the one you needed, bro.
Oh my God.
Gosh.
It like literally.
Thank goodness.
Oh yeah.
That's good stuff.